Mindful Daydreaming. Once upon a bustling day in the heart of New Delhi, amidst the vibrant colors and rhythms of life, lived Reshma, a YouTube content creator with a passion for storytelling. Reshma's days were filled with the constant hustle of creating engaging content, but she often found herself yearning for moments of peace and creativity amid the chaos. One day, as the sun dipped below the city's skyline, Reshma decided to embark on a journey of mindful daydreaming. She carved out a special time each day, transforming her cluttered workspace into a sanctuary of tranquility. The aroma of incense wafted through the air, casting a calming spell over the room. A soft melody of Bollywood tunes played in the background, setting the stage for Reshma's mindful daydreaming adventure. She settled into her favorite chair, closed her eyes, and began the journey into the realm of her imagination. She took a deep breath, inhaling the energy of the city and exhaling any tension that lingered within. The rhythm of her breath became the anchor for her mindful daydreaming practice. In this peaceful sanctuary, Reshma envisioned herself standing on the edge of a lush meadow bathed in the golden hues of the setting sun. The gentle breeze carried the scent of blooming flowers, and the distant murmur of a stream added a soothing melody to the scene. This was her mental haven, a place where creativity flowed freely. As Reshma delved deeper into her daydream, she practiced visualization techniques. She imagined herself achieving her YouTube goals, each success unfolding like a vivid scene in a Bollywood movie. The joy of connecting with her audience, the satisfaction of crafting compelling stories, these images fueled her aspirations. Amid her daydream, Reshma decided to engage her senses. She felt the warmth of the sun on her skin, the soft grass beneath her feet, and the gentle touch of the breeze on her face. Reshma allowed these sensations to enhance her daydream, making it a fully immersive experience. After a few minutes, the meadow transformed into a bustling market square with vibrant stalls selling spices, fabrics, and trinkets. Reshma wandered through the crowd, absorbing the rich tapestry of colors and sounds. This bustling scene inspired her storytelling, providing a wealth of sensory details to incorporate into her content. During her mindful daydreaming, Reshma reflected on her emotions. She explored the feelings of excitement, accomplishment, and connection that arose in her imaginary world. These emotions became the heart of her storytelling, infusing authenticity and relatability into her content. As Reshma continued her practice, she realized the importance of capturing inspiration. She kept a journal nearby, ready to jot down the creative ideas that emerged during her mindful daydreaming sessions. These ideas, born from her imagination, became the seeds for future YouTube videos and stories. In the stillness of her daydream, Reshma limited distractions. She disconnected from the digital world, allowing her mind to wander freely without the constant buzz of notifications. This intentional focus heightened the clarity of her daydreaming experience, making it a sacred space for creativity to flourish. Days turned into weeks, And Reshma's mindful daydreaming practice became a cornerstone of her routine. She discovered that the peace cultivated through these moments not only enhanced her creativity but also brought a sense of balance to her hectic life. One day, she decided to share her mindful daydreaming journey with her YouTube audience. In a video entitled Journey to Creativity Mindful Daydreaming, she opened up about the transformative power of intentional daydreaming. She encouraged her viewers to embrace this practice, emphasizing its potential to unlock creativity, reduce stress, and foster a deeper connection with oneself. The response was overwhelming. Viewers from New Delhi to distant corners of the world resonated with her story. Many shared their own experiences with mindful daydreaming and the positive impact it had on their lives. As Reshma's YouTube channel flourished with content inspired by her mindful daydreaming adventures, she realized the profound effect it had on her audience. The stories she told were not just narratives, they were invitations for others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and creativity. In the end, Reshma's commitment to mindful daydreaming not only enriched her personal life but became a gift to her audience. Through the lens of her stories, she showed the world that in the bustling city of dreams, finding moments of peace within oneself could be the key to unlocking boundless creativity and growth. And so, the tale of Reshma and her mindful daydreaming adventures became a beacon of inspiration, encouraging others to weave their own stories of peace and imagination in the tapestry of life. Mindful daydreaming offers a multitude of benefits beyond fostering creativity and reducing stress. Here are a few additional advantages. Benefits of mindful daydreaming: enhanced problem-solving skills. Engaging in mindful daydreaming allows your mind to explore different perspectives and scenarios. This can lead to improved problem-solving skills as you unconsciously consider various solutions to the challenges you may be facing. Increased self-awareness. Mindful daydreaming provides an opportunity for introspection. By delving into your thoughts and emotions during these moments, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your desires, and your motivations. This heightened self-awareness can contribute to personal growth and development. Improved focus and concentration. Contrary to common belief, mindful daydreaming can actually enhance your ability to focus. When practiced intentionally, it becomes a structured form of mental exploration, training your mind to concentrate on specific thoughts and visualizations. Please wait a bit. I shall tell you more about the rewards you get through mindful daydreaming adventures. Stress reduction and relaxation. Mindful daydreaming promotes relaxation by creating a mental space free from the pressures of daily life. This break allows your mind to recharge, reducing overall stress levels and contributing to a sense of calm. Enhanced creativity in everyday tasks. The creative insights gained during mindful daydreaming can extend beyond your artistic pursuits. You may find yourself approaching everyday tasks with a fresh perspective, bringing creativity and innovation to your personal and professional endeavors. Heightened emotional intelligence. Exploring your emotions during mindful daydreaming can lead to increased emotional intelligence. Recognizing and understanding your own feelings allows for better empathy and communication with others, both in your personal relationships and content creation. Better sleep quality. Engaging in mindful daydreaming before bedtime can help calm a racing mind, promoting better sleep quality. By letting go of stressors and focusing on positive visualizations, you create a more conducive environment for restful sleep. Cultivation of mindfulness in daily life. Mindful daydreaming serves as a gateway to mindfulness, not just during the practice itself, but in everyday activities. As you become more attuned to your thoughts and sensations, you might find it easier to stay present and mindful throughout the day. In the tapestry of our busy lives, mindful daydreaming emerges as a thread of tranquility, weaving moments of peace, creativity, and self-discovery. Through intentional daydreaming, you not only unlock the gates to creativity, but also embark on a journey of heightened self-awareness, improved problem-solving, and a more relaxed state of being. So, in the midst of your bustling days, take a pause, close your eyes, and let your mind dance freely in the realm of mindful daydreaming. It's not just a momentary escape, it's a pathway to growth, innovation, and the stories that enrich both your life and the lives of those who join you on this captivating journey.